Part 2. Let's do this. It's fine. That's spicy. I'm going to give that still 10 out of 10. Okay, now we're going to the next 3. So we have 3 more until I do this. Okay, we're not wasting time. Let's do this. Okay, so these are like, I think these are chocolate candies? Candy balls. Why I stopped the other one? It ran out of time. I didn't want it to be like 1 hour, so I just made this one. This is a part 2. But don't worry, you won't get mixed up in your mind. This is a part 2. If I call it any other name, then... Oh yes, it is chocolate. There's a little tiny hole. Okay, we're not wasting time. Let's eat it. Oh my gosh. That's busting. Look. Yeah. It tastes like coconut. Is this coconut flavor? Yeah, I think this is coconut. Yeah, I think this is coconut. Let's say I'll give that 9 out of 10. For it's fine to me, but yeah, it's just fine. Okay, we're moving on. Let's do our... This is close to the last one. Okay, we're moving on to the candy bars. Where are the candy? Oh, there they are. Okay, we're now trying this. This is like a little ball thing. Why does it look like the cheese moon from that last video? Okay, since this smells... What the heck? You know what? You know what? 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. That is taste so freaking bad. We're moving on now. Please, taste good. What is this? Wow. This will taste. Oh, we're not wasting time. Let's try this. If I could get it open with my scissors. Is this a chocolate bar? A chocolate bar inside plastic. Huh. Classic. Yeah. plastic and classic lime. This better taste good. If it don't, then I'm giving it another 0 out of 10. I mean, a 1 out of 10. Oh, what the heck? Why does it look so slimy? This is like a gummy. Tastes good. You know what? I'm going to give it Guess what I'm going to give it? A 100 out of 10. It's so good. Snack. But guess what I'll do? I'll see you in the next video. So, bye. If you want to see another snack video, click that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.